Hello students. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಅದೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಭಾಗ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, ಈ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ Say this is charge Q1 and this is charge Q2. It is taken as minus Q2 and this is charge Q3 and charge Qn. So system of charges ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ n number of chargesನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Q1, Q2 is the charge of second charge and Q3 ಈ ಥರ n number of chargesನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. After considering n number of charges, we already studied of the potential, expression for potential due to charges Q. Okay, so suppose the charge is Q1, then the electric potential due to charge Q1, it will be V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 divided by R1. So what is R1? R1 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು it is nothing but the distance of the charge Q1 from point P. Same way for charge Q2 we are having R2, charge Q3 we will be having distance R3 and for charge Qn we will be having the distance Rn. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ equation number 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Same way V2 is nothing but the electric static potential for the charge Q2. It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q2 divided by R2. Consider this as equation number 2. Same way we can write for charge Q3, Q4 and so on. We are going to consider for the nth charge, that is Vn is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Qn divided by Rn. Consider this as equation number 3. Now we are here to calculate electric potential due to system of charges. Due to system of charges andaga it is nothing but V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on up to Vn. Okay, V1 idale equation number 1 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, V2 idale equation number 2 and Vn equation number 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. In all these equations 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Take it outside. Remaining is Q1 divided by R1 plus Q2 divided by R2 plus and so on up to Qn divided by Rn. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught summation of I is equal to 1 to n Qi divided by Ri. That is V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught summation of I is equal to 1 to n Qi divided by R. Okay, so this is the expression for electric potential due to a system of charges. Next we are going to study about the equipotential surfaces. Equipotential surfaces. What are equipotential surfaces? Equipotential surfaces. Okay, equi means equal potential surfaces. What are the equipotential surfaces? The surfaces having same potential at all points. The surfaces having same potential at all points. Such surfaces are called as equipotential surfaces. What are the examples for equipotential surfaces? equipotential surfaces, it is nothing but the surface of the charged conductor. Surface of a charged conductor. Charged conductor. Surface of a charged conductor. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? The surface of earth. Surface of earth. Surface of earth. Okay. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಂದನೇದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಎರಡನೇದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಇಕ್ವಿಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ properties of equipotential surfaces. First one is no work is done. No work is done in moving. Is done in moving. No work is done in moving a test charge. A test charge over an equipotential surface. Over an equipotential surface. Over an equipotential surface. Okay. So this is the first property of the equipotential surface. Second property yadu? Electric field is. Second property is electric field. Electric field is always normal to the equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. Okay. One is the no work is done in moving a test charge over an equipotential surface. Second property, electric field is always normal to the equipotential surface. The third property is equipotential surfaces are equipotential surfaces are always parallel to the planes in an uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Equipotential surfaces are always parallel to the planes in an uniform electric field. This is the fourth property. The third property. The fourth property is two equipotential surfaces can never intersect each other. Two equipotential surfaces can never intersect each other. This is the fourth property. So these are the four properties of equipotential surfaces. So we are having some diagrammatic representations for the equipotential surfaces. Out of those four, the first one is positive point charge. The diagrammatic representation for positive point charge. So ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮೆಟಿಕ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ right, this is a diagrammatic representation for positive point charge, and the outer surface is nothing but the equipotential surface. equipotential surface, right? So this is one of the diagrammatic representation of the equipotential surface. For your syllabus you are having 4 diagrammatic representation. Out of those, the first one is for the positive point charge. Okay. Second one, electric dipole. Electric dipole of two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges. Okay, electric potential or two equal and opposite point charges ಗೆ diagram ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there will be two opposite charges. Okay, one is having the negative charge and the other surface will be having the positive charge. One is having the negative charge, other one is having the positive charge. The third one diagrammatic representation is equipotential surfaces of two identical positive charges. ಎರಡು charges ನು ಕೂಡ positive ಆಗಿನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, right? So this is one of the positive charge and this is one of the positive charge here. So this will be the equipotential surface here. This will be the equipotential surface, right? For the two identical positive charges. Fourth one is for the plane surfaces, two plane surfaces. Yeah. So this is one of the plane surface and this is one of the plane surface, right? Right. This is the electric field. Okay. This is how the electric field is represented here. The equipotential surface of the uniform electric field. So these are very important for your point from the point of view of examination. Exam ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ.